back to the Ragu Guru. Today's Thanksgiving, and I'm going to show you again how easy it is to make beautiful dishes. You know the deal. We're going to turn this into 6 side dishes with turkey and gravy. First things first, you core out your red curry. You put a little stab hole in the top there so the air gets out. And then, of course, you stab holes into your sweet potatoes there, lay them out on the grid, and get ready with butter, maple syrup, and a little water. And then you're going to throw it in the oven, 350, 2 hours. Our beautiful appetizer is fennel, cilantro, and oranges, actually. But today I'm going to be using a ruby red grapefruit because they're just so beautiful. Anyways, take your fennel, cut it up the pike there, and then core it. And then slice down the sides. You want not small pieces, but, you know, not huge pieces either. And then slice it up in there. And then you're going to cut it up. And then you're going to put it into the bowl. Take your cilantro, take all the nice greens off the top, chop that up, throw that in the bowl, and then for the grapefruit, you're going to be cutting both ends off and then taking all the rind off so that you're exposing the grapefruit itself perfectly clean. And then with your razor sharp knife, you're going to be carefully cutting out each section of grapefruit, exposing it to just pure fruit, and then put that into your salad, and then squeeze all the juice into it. And just a little freeze frame to show you how beautiful and healthy this salad is. Stir it up, put it in a bowl, and you have just made yourself one of the most beautiful palate cleansers of all time. Simple is best. Keeping it simple, we have a 5-ingredient salad, starting with Chinese red cabbage, delicious apples peeled and sliced, parsley, Italian parsley, maple syrup, and cinnamon. Then, of course, add them all together, mix them up, throw them in a bowl, and you have just made yourself one of the most refreshing salads ever. And now for the stuffing, we have our bread in the bowl. We're going to be adding our beautiful breakfast sausage. Add, of course, onions, and then the ginger, some honey glazed almonds, and some of that beautiful cranberry jam you made the other day. Mix thoroughly and then stuff your bird up front and back. And then you're going to take your root vegetables of parsnips, carrots, beets, and rutabaga, throw them in the oven, cover it with parchment paper, 325 for 4 hours. Yeah. And then, of course, 4 hours later, you take off the parchment paper, and you are left with an absolutely beautiful bird with gorgeous vegetables. And a little flyby on our bird just to show you how absolutely beautiful everything turns out. And, of course, after you've made your gravy and plated everything up, you have yourself a beautiful Thanksgiving dinner. Made easy. Okay, people. Happy Thanksgiving. We'll see you next time.